Learn how to access the maintenance items of an asset efficiently with the following straightforward instructions. Following these instructions will help you efficiently navigate to the maintenance items of an asset and manage them effectively. There are two ways to access the maintenance items of an asset. First, we will show you via Asset page. Jump to the structure icon at the dashboard's top right side. Type the required structure ID in the search bar. Select the desired structure from the search results, which will take you to the Asset Summary page. Shift through the tabs available on the Asset Summary page and click on the Maintenance tab to access the maintenance items of an asset. Click on the View icon to display detailed information about the selected maintenance item. Click Close to go back to Maintenance dashboard. Second method is via Maintenance Management section. From the Tool landing page, select the Maintenance option located at the top right corner of the page. Once in the Maintenance dashboard, click on the List tab to view the list of assets. Select the required asset from the list. Then click on View under the Operations column. To open work items on the Asset Maintenance page. Thanks for watching. Visit our support section for more helpful videos that will guide you through using the tool.